Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to this one. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have du equal to number 2 s plus 3 ds. dv, we have this one. The integration of this one, we have v equals to e to the power of s. So we have v multiplied by u minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have number 2 we put in here, and we have the integration s plus 3 e to the power of s ds. Next we use about integration by parts again. So this one I will put s plus 3. So this one we have the s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration e to the power of s ds. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.